Welcome to Breaking the Silence, Addressing Harm. When no one speaks up, part of the DEI Workplace Insights series. Today we'll examine why silence often follows bias or exclusion, how silence unintentionally reinforces harm, and what practical steps organizations can take to build cultures where speaking up is safe, respectful, and constructive. When bias or harmful comments go unaddressed, silence communicates permission. Even if no one agrees with the behavior, failing to respond may signal acceptance. Over time, trust erodes and employees disengage. Silence can be just as powerful as words. People stay silent for many reasons: fear of retaliation, hierarchical power differences, or uncertainty about how to respond all contribute. Many individuals simply want to avoid conflict. The bystander effect, assuming someone else will intervene, also plays a role. The bystander effect occurs when responsibility diffuses across a group. Each person waits for someone else to respond, but when everyone waits, nothing changes. Creating cultures where individuals feel empowered to act reduces this diffusion. Leaders must set expectations that bias and disrespect will be addressed. Encourage respectful questioning like, "Can we pause on that comment?" When leadership models intervention calmly and consistently, others feel safer following suit. Reinforce and appreciate constructive speaking up. You don't need confrontation to interrupt harm. Neutral phrases can redirect conversations. "Can we clarify what was meant?" "I'm not sure that comment landed well. Let's reframe that." These interventions create space without escalating tension. When harm occurs, accountability matters. Acknowledge impact rather than focusing solely on intent. Avoid defensiveness. Offer a genuine apology and commit to learning. Repair strengthens trust when handled sincerely. When employees feel safe, they are more likely to speak up. Normalize feedback in all directions. Protect team members from retaliation. Reinforce respectful disagreement as healthy rather than disruptive. Culture shifts through small actions. Check in privately with someone who may have been impacted. Address patterns early before they normalize. Reflect honestly on moments when you stayed silent and why. Practice courage in smaller situations so you're prepared when stakes are higher. Consider your own experience. When have you remained silent? What influenced that decision? What strategy could help you respond differently next time? Awareness is the first step toward courage. Thank you for watching Breaking the Silence, Addressing Harm When No One Speaks Up, part of the DEI Workplace Insights series. If this lesson resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your team. Together, we can build cultures where silence is replaced with accountability and respect.